So, cold calling is not cutting it for you? Or are you tired of knocking doors at dinner time? Well, maybe it's time for you to try these strategies that I'm going to review. Hi, my name is Leo with Traffic Factory for Realtors.club. And today I'm going to be talking about some real estate, about some ways or some ideas to generate real estate leads in 2018. So let's go ahead and get started. By the way, what I'm going to be talking about today, I found it from an Easy Agent Pro article. If you check in the description below or the comment section below, depending where you're watching this video, I'll be including some information there, including the link to the blog if you want to see just the full article. But the one thing I want to make you aware as well is that the article is not intended to knock off on the strategies, right? Cold calling, door knocking, all of these strategies have their place. But if you are a place in your career, in your real estate career or your business where time is valuable to you, where time is really precious for you, then I will suggest you to go ahead and take a look at this. And again, I mentioned earlier that I have this website, right? Traffic Factory for Realtors.club. So I invite you to check it out. The trainings that I put out are in there. There's a members area that in the front page you can scroll down and get access to it, right? Sign up, register, is free. Looking to definitely continue to provide you value, help you get unstuck if you struggle with technology and struggle to learn social media or paid advertising. So again, head out to Traffic Factory for Realtors.club to learn more. And so let's go ahead and get started, okay? And I apologize, I got my notes here. I'm gonna try to keep this under 10 minutes just because I want to upload it to LinkedIn as well. I want to try the LinkedIn videos. So what I was saying is that all of these strategies have their places, right? But let's be honest, if you value your time, you definitely want to be consider other ways of actually just cold calling or doing door knocking, especially when when you don't like, let's see, and let's be honest, how many of, especially if you don't like doing the cold calling stuff, or if you never liked the door knocking stuff, or spending money on posts, especially when you can reach the same prospect through Facebook or any type of social media targeting, paid advertising, right? Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Google, stuff like that. These tactics could definitely help you to save a ton of time and ultimately lead you to finding qualified real estate leads who actually want to talk to you. So time is valuable for me, right? Time, I'm sure, is valuable for a lot of people. You just think about Uber. Uber doesn't sell you, doesn't sell the idea of just a different idea of a tax, right? Convenience, or a tax service. Actually sells the idea of time convenience, just because time is one of the fundamental needs of humans. So if you are at a point that you definitely value the time, then hopefully this can bring you some value. So the first thing we're going to review is the Facebook funnel. So if you are real estate agents, small business owner that know how to set up an ad, but are struggling with it, then what good is it if you don't know who to target, right? So you may be struggling on basically having an idea who to target. Now, one of the stuff that the article touch bases on is basically a solution could be finding a niche. Especially this works in a big area where a large market where you have a lot of competition. This is a way for you to stand out in a crowded market, right? Niche down could be finding a niche could be you specialize in historic places. Finding a niche could be, for example, here it provides becoming a listing agent for people that are divorcing. So it provides an interesting fact over here. And how ironic that I'm here getting ready to join my wife and family for her birthday celebration. Happy birthday to my wife. So it says that the fact, do you know that 61% of divorced couples end up listing their home? Now, this percentage may vary from city to city and town to town, but you can be sure that your area is rolled up in these statistics. So, will you be the listing agent, right? So, this is an idea for a niche. Let's see what we have here. Bonus, what you forgetting? Even if you're already using Facebook for real estate lead generation, what are you linking your ads to? So if you are doing advertising, you gotta keep in mind whatever you're doing advertising. You're doing the social media post, Google, YouTube, whatever you do in advertising, right? Where are you leading the people to? And if you're leading people to somewhere specifically, are you keeping track of the people that you right, the people that takes the action of whatever you tell them to do, either click here to go to my landing page to get this special report, or to see a list of houses, or to put your name and email in exchange of some type of information. Are you keeping track of those people that takes those action? It is very important that if you are doing paid advertising, that you please use the pixels or cookie options that are available within either be Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, what else we have, Twitter Pixel, right? So make use of these elements that you have in place. They are free to use. Of course, you have to pay for the ads, but using these pixels or cookies are free to use, and is a way for you to be able to remarket and continue to stay in front of it. Because if you don't do it, it's like basically throwing money at the ads, right? Basically, you run the ads, see if it works, and that's it, right? You don't gather the data to continue to stay in front of people. Just imagine about personal relationship. How many times you have to, how many times do you get in front of people to really get to know them well, right? So it's the same concept on anything with human relationships. So think about that. By the way, any of this stuff that I'm saying, right, especially the retargeting, remarketing, how to pixel your landing pages and stuff like that, feel free to reach out. Don't be afraid. More importantly, how is this helping you convert online leads to offline sales? So provide landing pages as an option, right? It gives some recommendations, a seller guide to focus on how to get maximum value from their home in the least amount of time, which happens to showcase you as a great agent or a great candidate to be their helpful and professional agent. And of course, the article provides a buyer's lead cheat sheet landing page. So it gives two options for landing pages. Easy Agent Pro specifically, it has a website services for real estate agents that had connected to multiple applications, so you can definitely check them out. I'm not paid by them in any way. I just basically love the articles, right? Provide us a lot of value. Never use their tools, so you do your own research on that. This is not advice on that. They give you Facebook as an option, but don't forget that you have YouTube, Google, Instagram, etc. The other option that it provides is dominate a farm area, right? This may be old school real estate lead generations, but it's definitely you can apply on the web. Now, the article talks about a specific feature they have on their system, right, on the lead pages product. So you can go and check it out. But right now, today, I'm just going to be talking about that you can set up content that specifically address the locations you doing your real estate farming in. Once you master a certain neighborhood, you can continue to expand your reach and move on to different areas. But how? And so a way that I can give you ideas on is basically, going Facebook Live, do a series of Facebook Live that reference anything that has to do with your neighborhood, any events that are coming up. It's not only writing about stuff. You can do writing if that's your expertise. You can do like videos if it's something you like. You can record a video of yourself, just like I'm doing. You can podcast if audio is your main thing. So I'm gonna keep it short. There are more strategies I wanted to cover, but you can definitely check the blog to read the full strategies that it covers. But hopefully this help you a little bit. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment, like if you like the content, or criticize it if you didn't like it. Let me know. And go ahead and check out the Traffic Factory for Realtors.club. Have a good one. Bye.